Hey there, curious minds. Ever wonder why some people prefer their left hand for writing, eating, or even throwing a ball? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of handedness, and exploring the genetic factors that might explain why left-handed people make up about 10% of the population. Let's get started. Right-handed people make up the majority of the world, but being left-handed isn't just about preference. It's a mix of biology, brain wiring, and, you guessed it, genetics. First, let's talk about the brain. Did you know that the left hemisphere of your brain controls the right side of your body, and the right hemisphere controls the left? This cross-wiring plays a role in determining which hand becomes dominant. So, where does genetics come in? While there isn't a single, left-handed gene, scientists have identified multiple genetic regions associated with handedness. For example, studies on the gene LRRTM1 suggest it may influence brain asymmetry, a key factor in which hand you use. But here's the twist: handedness isn't purely genetic. It's influenced by both your genes and your environment. This is what scientists call a polygenic trait. It means that many genes, along with other factors like prenatal environment, combine to determine whether you're a righty or a lefty. Even identical twins, who share the same DNA, don't always have the same handedness. This highlights the role of non-genetic factors, like random developmental changes in the womb. You might be wondering, does being left-handed come with any advantages? Well, lefties are often known for their creativity and adaptability. Some studies even suggest they might have an edge in sports that involve quick reactions, like tennis or baseball. Throughout history, lefties have made their mark. Think Leonardo da Vinci, Marie Curie, and even recent US presidents like Barack Obama. It's clear that being left-handed is no barrier to greatness. Now, let's dig a bit deeper into the genetics. Researchers have pinpointed over 40 genetic variants that may influence handedness. These genes are involved in brain development and communication between different parts of the brain, particularly the regions responsible for movement and coordination. In the womb, your brain's hemispheres begin to specialize early on. Factors like hormone exposure, the positioning of the fetus, and even chance can contribute to whether the left or right hemisphere takes the lead. This could be why handedness begins to emerge as early as 10 weeks into gestation. Another fascinating fact is the cultural impact on handedness. In some societies, being left-handed was discouraged, leading to generations of lefties who adapted to using their right hand instead. This shows how societal norms can influence the expression of genetic traits. Interestingly, the percentage of left-handed people varies across populations, ranging from 5% to 30% in different parts of the world. This variation suggests that both genetic and environmental factors are at play on a global scale. And let's not forget the role of left-handed people in science and innovation. For example, Benjamin Franklin and Nikola Tesla were lefties who revolutionized the world with their ideas. It's amazing how diverse handedness has contributed to human progress. So, the next time you meet a left-handed person, remember, their unique trait is the result of a complex interplay of genes, brain structure, and life experiences. And who knows, maybe there's still more to uncover about this intriguing aspect of human biology. If you enjoyed this dive into the science of handedness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious.